Hey thinkers, welcome back to Think Sharp Alley, the only alley where every turn leads to a smart solution.
See how to draw square root 9.5 on a number line without using a calculator? Let's do it geometrically, the cool and classic way. Okay, so the first part over here is to break the number 9.5 into two numbers whose product is 9.5. You can split it any way you like. 9.5 into 1 gives 9.5. 9.5 can be written as 5 into 1.9 or even 19 into 0.5. They all work. So let's take 9.5 as 5 into 1.9. So remember, first we have to draw two line segments, one of 5 cm, another of 1.9 cm. So at first we have drawn a line segment, a random long line, and I have two line segments, one of 5 cm and this is 1.9 cm. Okay, so first I'll take my compass and I'll take 5 cm in my compass and make an arc. Yes, something like this. Then I will take 1.9 cm in my compass and place my compass over here at this point where I've previously cut and make another arc. So such that from here, this is, let's say this is my point A, AB is 5 cm while BC is 1.9 cm. Next I will take perpendicular bisector of AC. So this is more than half of AC. And so one arc over here, another arc down, then I'll place the compass at C and cut those previously drawn arcs to make a perpendicular bisector. So now my perpendicular bisector is ready. So let's draw. So this line represents a perpendicular bisector of AC, which intersects my line AC at O. Now with O as center and OA as radius, we will draw a semicircle. Obviously my semicircle will meet at C as shown in the diagram. Now at point B, I will draw perpendicular. So you have learned drawing perpendicular in probably class 6. So this is 60. Then this one is 120. And then we will bisect the middle part to obtain a perfect 90 degree. So not only I will not stop here, we have to extend it till it meets our circle. Now the point it meets our circle, let's name this point D. Now here the length of BD is square root 9.5. So with center B and radius BD, we draw an arc meeting AC produced at E. So now BE is equal to BD equal to square root of 9.5 units. Now let's check the answer on the calculator. So you see square root of 9.5 is 3.08. That means which is very close to 3.1. Now let's measure the length of BE using a scale. I am zooming a little bit so that you can see clearly. Look, it's matching almost exactly, just over 3 cm. So that's the power of geometry. It's not just theory, it's real, it works and it's beautiful. If you like this visual method with proof, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more such maths magic made simple.